Hi everyone, welcome back. My name is Madhura, you can call me Maddie, and I have with me Jyoti, you can call her Joe, and we are back with another reaction video today. Joe, give us the deets.
So we have another song that's been highly requested by the Sidhu camp,
Oh,
if I
okay,
can call it
okay.
that. So yeah, this one's been requested via DMs, and of course it's in the list in the comments as well. Before I get
Mm-hmm,
into the song and we start watching the
mm-hmm,
video, I want to just say that we love that you guys are so passionate about the artists that you love, and you want us to react to their songs and everything. It's great, we love it. Please keep giving us these links and these suggestions, because we are also discovering new music
mm-hmm,
and new artists through this channel. But
mm-hmm,
please have patience with us, because this is not our full-time job. We both
mm-hmm.
are doing this as a hobby and passion project,
Yes,
and
yes, yes,
we're trying to put at least one video every day on our channel. The keyword being trying.
yes, trying,
And we're making
yes,
sure at least one goes out. Some days we try, if we have recorded enough and we've had time to record enough, we put out 2 videos
yes,
weekly. But
yes,
all of them
yes.
cannot be a Sidhu song or a Karan Aujla song, or because there is
A
so much.
Diljit song.
Yeah, because there's so much content for us to get to. We're not sticking to one genre or one
Yes,
industry only. We're trying to cover a lot of ground. So
yeah.
you'll have to. We love the music and recommendations you send us, but you will have to be a little patient with us.
Yes,
Um,
yes.
if this was our full-time job and we were just recording reactions and editing videos day in and day out 24/7, then we would be able to churn
It would
things
be a
out.
different thing, correct?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, one more thing, I think that's a very good point you're making. Joe is right. This is not something we do as a full-time job. Besides having full-time jobs where both of us have, where we're spending 40, 45, 50 hours a week, this is something we just do for fun. And compounded by the fact is that we do not stay in the same time zone. We
Yeah.
actually stay in very different time zones. So you should also know that. So it's also not that easy for us to either dedicate time or coordinate with each other to record it. So like she said, this is something we just do as a hobby. We just like to speak about this, so we do it. It's not something that we do as our full-time job. So sometimes it will take us time to get through the list
Your
or the
request. Yeah.
barrage of requests that we get. We try and go through all of them, but it's really not possible, because if let's say we have about 50 requests, it's not humanly possible for us to get through all of them in a day or two. And I know y'all are all very eager to see us react to your requests, and we would
Which is
also
very sweet.
love to do that. It's very, very sweet, but sometimes it's also a lot of pressure for us if people are constantly following up and asking, when is my video going to be up, when are you reacting to this, because it also
My
takes
song.
some coordinating. My song, yes.
Also,
So
I want to say that we are not partial to any artist. So don't
yes,
think
we
that.
just, yes,
We are not. We are literally, we're just like कोई गाना का comment अगर दिख गया ज़्यादा whatever, we'll just quickly note it down. So
yeah,
we will
yeah.
we will get to all your requests over time,
Mm-hmm,
and we are not partial to any artist. And now
mm-hmm.
we are going to just get into the song.
React to the
Pick
song,
for
yes.
today. This one
What's the
is,
song?
it's about 2 years old. It's called Jat Da Mukabla.
Okay, all
Sidhu.
right. Sidhu,
So
okay.
obviously written by him. Music is by Snappy.
Snappy.
Yeah.
Let's get into it then.
Let's see. Okay, chalo. 1, 2, 3, play.
Oh, ਜੱਟ ਦਾ ਮੁਕਾਬਲਾ oh ਜੱਟ ਦਾ ਮੁਕਾਬਲਾ
Snappy.
oh ਜੱਟ ਦਾ ਮੁਕਾਬਲਾ ਦੱਸ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਆਈ ਨੀ ਜੱਟ ਦਾ ਮੁਕਾਬਲਾ ਦੱਸ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਆਈ ਨੀ ਜੱਟ ਦਾ ਮੁਕਾਬਲਾ ਦੱਸ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਤੇਰੇ ਜੱਟ ਦਾ ਮੁਕਾਬਲਾ ਦੱਸ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਆਈ ਨੀ 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 ਜੱਟ ਦਾ ਮੁਕਾਬਲਾ oh ਫੋਰਨ ਸਟਾਰ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਤੇਰੇ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਆਈ ਨੀ ਜੱਟ ਦਾ ਮੁਕਾਬਲਾ ਦੱਸ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਆਈ ਨੀ ਜੱਟ ਦਾ ਮੁਕਾਬਲਾ ਦੱਸ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਆਈ ਨੀ ਜੱਟ ਦਾ ਮੁਕਾਬਲਾ ਖੁੱਲੇ ਜਿਗਰੇ ਤੇ ਖੁੱਲੀਆਂ ਜ਼ਮੀਨਾਂ ਵਾਲਿਆਂ ਸਾਡੇ ਤੇ ਕਰਾਈਮਾਂ ਵਾਲੇ ਸੀਨਾ ਵਾਲੇ ਆ ਲਾਣ ਦੇ ਡਰਮ ਪੀ ਕੇ ਬੁੱਕਦੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਰਾਂ ਵਾਂਗੂ ਭੱਲੀਏ ਡਰਮ ਮੈਗਜ਼ੀਨਾਂ ਵਾਲੇ ਆ ਆਓ ਗੋਲੀ ਵੱਟੇ ਗੋਲੀ ਮਿਲੂ ਸਾਹ ਸਾਡੇ ਸਿੱਧੇ ਆਈ ਨਹੀਂ ਜੱਟ ਦਾ ਮੁਕਾਬਲਾ ਆਓ ਜੱਟ ਦਾ ਮੁਕਾਬਲਾ ਦੱਸ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਆਈ ਨਹੀਂ ਜੱਟ ਦਾ ਮੁਕਾਬਲਾ ਦੱਸ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਤੇਰੇ ਜੱਟ ਦਾ ਮੁਕਾਬਲਾ ਦੱਸ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਆਈ ਨਹੀਂ ਜੱਟ ਦਾ ਮੁਕਾਬਲਾ ਦੱਸ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਆਈ ਨਹੀਂ ਜੱਟ ਦਾ ਮੁਕਾਬਲਾ ਦੱਸ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਆਈ ਨਹੀਂ ਜੱਟ ਦਾ ਮੁਕਾਬਲਾ
KCD song, huh?
Snappy.
ਆਓ ਦਿਲ ਤੋਂ ਆ ਸ਼ੇਰਬਾਜ਼ੀ ਐ ਉਡਾਰੀ ਚੀ ਆ ਛੋਟਾ ਵੱਡਾ ਪਰਖੀ ਦਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋ ਯਾਰੀ ਚੀ ਆ ਆਓ ਵੱਡੇ ਜੋ ਸਟਾਰ ਰਾਤੀ ਡਾਡਰ ਉੱਠਦੇ ਨੇ ਜਦੋਂ ਦਾ ਹੈ ਆਇਆ ਜੱਟ ਕਲਾਕਾਰੀ ਚ ਭੱਜ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਖੜਦਾ ਏ ਸਿੱਧੂ ਮੂਸੇ ਵਾਲਾ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਆਈ ਨਹੀਂ ਜੱਟ ਦਾ ਮੁਕਾਬਲਾ ਦੱਸ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਆਈ ਨਹੀਂ ਜੱਟ ਦਾ ਮੁਕਾਬਲਾ ਦੱਸ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਤੇਰੇ ਜੱਟ ਦਾ ਮੁਕਾਬਲਾ ਦੱਸ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਆਈ ਨਹੀਂ ਜੱਟ ਦਾ ਮੁਕਾਬਲਾ ਦੱਸ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਆਈ ਨਹੀਂ ਜੱਟ ਦਾ ਮੁਕਾਬਲਾ ਰੋਣਾ ਤੇ ਘੁੰਮਦੀ ਬੈਂਜ਼ ਦੇਖ ਐਂਟੀਆਂ ਦੀ ਟਾਣੀ ਟੈਂਸ ਦੇਖ ਬਾਉ ਡਾਊਨ ਨੋ ਚਾਂਸ ਤੂੰ ਮੇਰੇ ਚਿਹਰੇ ਤੇ ਕੌਨਫੀਡੈਂਸ ਦੇਖ ਆਓ ਮੁੱਕਦਾ ਏ ਜੱਟ ਲਾਊਡ ਨਹੀਂ ਅੱਗੇ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਹਾਈ ਲੈਵਲ ਕਰਾਊਡ ਨਹੀਂ ਮੌਤ ਵਾਈਫ ਆ ਜੱਟ ਲਾਈਫ ਆ ਚੌੜਬਾਜੀ ਇੱਥੇ ਅਲਾਊਡ ਨਹੀਂ
Did you see that?
ਤੇ ਕਹਾਉਂਦੇ ਤੋੜਾ ਥੱਲੇ ਸਿੱਟੇ ਆਈ ਨਹੀਂ ਜੱਟ ਦਾ ਮੁਕਾਬਲਾ ਦੱਸ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਆਈ ਨਹੀਂ ਜੱਟ ਦਾ ਮੁਕਾਬਲਾ ਦੱਸ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਆਈ ਨਹੀਂ ਜੱਟ ਦਾ ਮੁਕਾਬਲਾ ਦੱਸ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਤੇਰੇ ਜੱਟ ਦਾ ਮੁਕਾਬਲਾ ਦੱਸ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਆਈ ਨਹੀਂ ਜੱਟ ਦਾ ਮੁਕਾਬਲਾ ऊंचा उड़ के इतना इतराओ मत परिंदो मैं औकात पे आ गया तो आसमां खरीद लूंगा
Snappy.
Okay.
आओ दिल रानी माड़ा तेरा सिद्धू मूसे वाला जट लाइफ बेबी
Jealousy and success don't go together. Damn. Okay, now I get what they mean in the comments when they say they get at each other, they take digs at each other in their videos. That was just blatantly in your face.
Yes. Yes. Initially, I was like, it looked like when it said reply to Sidhu, it looked like it's like a fan writing a letter or something. And then I was like, oh no, this is a
Even the hair, everything, the
Everything,
it was
yes.
styled exactly like you know who. That
Yes.
was wow. I don't know if Karan Aujla has done that in any of his videos, but this was blatantly in your face. I wish I understood the actual lyrics at that point in the song.
yes,
But
yes.
he's basically just saying there's no Jatta Mukhabla.
No,
Tere Jatta
yeah, there's
Mukhabla
no
hai,
contest.
and,
Correct.
I am without competition. I don't know. I find it very funny. Not funny. I'm sure they have the reasons to believe
They
were
have
wrong by
reasons
each
for
other.
why they have, yes. I'm
Um,
sure that they have their good reasons for why they react to each other, they do. But
I-
so what do you think of the song?
The song had a very good beat, like like that whole. It was catchy. I don't know if I will listen to it a lot, or if it was like my vibe per se. But it wasn't like I didn't dislike the song.
The song. Okay.
Dislike it, but
Okay.
I didn't love it. You know, like I feel like some other songs of his I've heard I've liked a little more than this. That's all.
True.
What did you think of the song?
So in the past, the ones that we've reacted to are the more recent ones, right? And the
this
last
is
couple
not
of
old.
songs that we've reacted to has been produced by the kid, I think. So I like his production more, I think, than Snappy.
Yeah.
So I felt like,
Kid is
of course,
nicer song.
I think in terms of gelling with the rest of the track and the production, I think the Kid does more justice to Sidhu than Snappy. You know, like it's something very similar to how you're saying. It's not like you hated the song, but there are certain songs that you like more than this one. So if you had to rank all the songs, other songs we've heard, this probably wouldn't be on the top of the pile. You know,
Yeah.
it'll be somewhere in the middle.
Also, I think this is the only song of his we've heard with Snappy.
Yes.
So maybe
yes.
there are other songs
Are
that
the
are
others
better.
that are better? Yeah.
But
yeah.
the stuff we've heard
Yeah.
of his with the Kid, we've liked more. Yeah, I think we
More,
both
yeah.
agree on that.
Yeah.
But I'm
Yeah,
just
yeah.
amused by what happened in the video there. You know, the whole breaking, like pulling down the poster, him taking a video,
Yes,
sending it to him,
yes.
like I'm being updated on the things you're doing,
On
sort
the
of thing.
correct.
Oh, it's so silly. I feel it's so silly. I hope they get over it in time,
Yes.
in the years to come, and
Yeah.
just keep creating good music.
That's all that matters. Eventually, that's what it's all about, right? You got into it to make music, not to get into a contest with each other. Fungas, exactly. Well, that was Jatta Mukabla by Sidhu Moosewala, produced by Snap. And if there are any other videos, again, like there was a disclaimer and the caveat at the start of this video is we do honestly try to get through all of the requests that you send us, but it takes us longer because this is not the only thing that we are constantly doing. So we try and get through most of the requests. So do bear
Instead
with us.
of Netflixing in my free time, I'm editing videos.
That is true. That is true.
So
yeah, so do bear with us, but that doesn't mean you can't keep sending us requests and you can't, give us your feedback. You can't support us. You know, the usual drill, you know how to reach us. Like, comment, subscribe. Let us know. We love hearing from you. And we will be back with another reaction video very soon. This is the two of us saying bye. Take care.